So this is my game, Catch Red Wreck. It's the first game I've ever made with Pygame. Here's the directions and controls menu. This is the one-player controls, and as you can see, there's a description as well. And here are the two-player controls, because there is a two-player mode as well. And this game isn't the best, but it was my first game, and I just wanted to show it. Um, I made it pretty recently. It took me a month because I'm learning Pygame at the same time. So here's one player game, and then this is the difficulty menu. Selected easy, and in easy mode, you can move, but move just normally, just like how you would normally move in a game. And yeah, there's a score in the top right, top left corner, and it updates every time you collide with red rec. It's just the red rectangle. That's the restart button. It just restarts, just just to show that off. Resumes, and then main menu brings you to the main menu. So I click start, one player, and now we're in normal mode. And in normal mode, you will keep moving, but if you let go, your character will still move. But there are boundaries to stop you. It's just to be a little bit harder to play the game. You do sometimes get stuck to the wall, and you will see that in a little bit. But you do get stuck to the wall sometimes, so that does kind of suck. But for a first game, I think this is somewhat okay. And here I had a little too fun and just kind of didn't realize I was recording for a little bit. In hard mode, you're both rectangles are green, so you get confused which one you are, and all the boundaries are lifted. And if you can still move even after you lift um, your hand off of the button to move. Like if you lift your hand off of W, you can still move. So it's just a harder way to play the game, and I just think it makes it better, to be honest, if you want a challenge. And that's pretty much my Pygame. But here's the two-player mode, and this is just me doing both, controlling both players because I didn't have another player to play with. But this was just to show it off that there is a two-player mode where red rack can catch green rack if he wants to as well, because they both don't like each other. And yeah, so I guess you can just see that. And you do see how sometimes we do get stuck on the wall and you just can't move. The reason for that I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out myself, but I think it just adds more fun to the challenge. I think it just adds more of a challenge to the fun of it. But that's my pie game. So thanks for watching. I decided to upload this video on the 29th of February, and the main reason I actually even made this video, well, the two main reasons were that I wanted to show you my pie game, and the other reason was so that I could have a video out on the 29th of February, um, because I only get this chance every 4 years, so I decided I might as well do it on the 29th of February, so that's one of my other reasons. Um, so my uploads, I haven't been uploading as much recently, and or actually at all, and I haven't uploaded. This is pretty much my first video of this entire year, but I haven't uploaded since the 31st of December, and the reason for that is because I've just been busy with school, and I've been doing programming, as you can see here, so I don't really have time for YouTube. I probably won't be as consistent anymore, but that doesn't mean I will quit YouTube. I will try to get videos and try to make videos. Try to get and make videos, but I can't confirm that I will always be able to just upload a video. It might not be every month, but I think I can at least try to do that. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.